I've finished the inlay decoration on the legs for the Sheraton Folding Table, and the two front legs are rounded on the top and the two back legs are square in the top. So you can see the square top of one of the back legs. Here's another back leg, and here are the two front legs. So these front legs have shallow sockets for the tongue on the apron, and then there's a corner block that has wood screws that come in to capture this leg in the carcass. And then there are these flats on the front legs that match up with the flats on the aprons. Now the veneer decoration, first I applied this center panel here. This is cypress crotch veneer, and I placed with hot glue all over everything. The rectangle patch was larger than the actual size, so I stuck it with the hot glue and then trimmed it to the actual dimensions. Then after that, I inlaid the banding here, this black and white ebony holly banding with miter joints in the corners. And lastly, then I applied some mahogany cross banding here to the space around the rectangle, and then later I added the banding and another piece of the mahogany here. So this is covered with veneer. I don't know if you can see the veneer on the edge here. Then I scraped off the glue, and it's fairly clean, but there's still some glue on these areas, and in the finish process I'll get rid of the glue. The back legs were easier to do because of the flat, just gluing the flat banding. But on the round front legs, I needed to shape the banding so that it wouldn't break like that. The way I did it is to soak it in a little bit of water and then used a soldering iron to conform to the diameter of the round, and then added glue and pasted it down to the leg. So the legs are now done, ready for finishing. All the reeds are shaped, all the turnings done, all the joinery is done. So I need to finish the aprons, and then I can do a glue up with the legs.